Hey guys, welcome to my video. Thanks for tuning in today. Today we're going to be talking about makeup revolution. Now, I don't know about you, but I've seen it all over Instagram, Twitter. It is the hottest brand. It is vegan, it's cruelty free, and it is so affordable. I could not wait to get my hands on this stuff. So a couple of days back, I took a trip down to Superdrug in Marble Arch. And I'm telling you guys, I just didn't know where to start. There's so much stuff. And it was 3 for 2. I went a little bit crazy, and here's my receipt. There were offers on a lot of their makeup. So I'm really excited to show you these brushes. These I picked up in Superdrug. They are $5.99, 3 for 2 at the moment. And it's a lovely, lovely thing to support. The Girls Project. It's a really fabulous charity to support. So I've already prepped and primed my skin. And now we're going to put some foundation on. They have got a fantastic range of foundations. They've got stick formulas, they've got liquid formulas, and I don't know, for some reason I went towards the stick formula. They have 18 shades, which is pretty impressive, and £5. So let's see how good they are. So we're going to start off with this foundation. It is an F12. So guys, I like this foundation. It's nice, I can build it up. The only thing I would say, it is quite creamy. So if you have an oily skin, it might not be for you, but they do a liquid foundation in a tube as well, which is worth exploring. Okay, so next we're going to talk about the Revolution Concealer. This is probably, I don't know, don't quote me, but I think this is the best selling product that they have. It's supposed to be better than the dark concealer. So let's have a look. This is a super covering concealer. It's got lovely light reflective properties, and you can see it's completely lifted those circles under my eyes. This is a fantastic product. Well worth the £4. Okay, so the next item I want to show you is their concealer palette. I bought this specifically for my makeup kit. I'm fed up with having all these little tubes and pots all over the place, and I just thought, you know what, I need to condense my kit. It's £6. They come in 3 different palettes, dark, medium and light, and they also do a colour correcting palette. The other thing is my skin colour really changes over the summer. I go from like a medium brown to really quite a dark brown, so it's quite nice. I don't want to be getting different concealers and things all the time, so it's quite a nice little sort of palette for me to use personally as well in the summer. So I'm just going to go and conceal the corners of my nose using this colour here and using my Ecotools brush. I'm just going to powder my face now. I have to say, this brush is really nice. It's a really nice quality brush. It's very, very nicely made. Really quite dinky. I was a bit spoilt for choice when it came to eyeshadow palettes. I only bought 2. I could have bought a lot more. They were sold out of several of the palettes, so I picked these ones. I mean, it's £4, this one. I like this one because you've got matte shades and you've got shimmery shades, and they're sort of quite nice and sort of spring-like. I like that very much. And then I like this other one. It's beautiful. It's £8. It is so, so pretty. There's so many colours in there. This is going to be great for my professional kit and also for home. I really, really like this. There's several palettes to choose from, and it was only £8. So I'm going to do a spring look. I'm going to use sort of these pastel-y colours here because I'm feeling a bit spring-like. This is a very nice blending brush. Okay, so I have applied some eyeshadow. So what I've done, I have used this colour sort of as a base colour all over my eyes. I've used this brown colour on my socket. I've put this lovely goldy colour all over my lid. I really love this colour. You've got to try it to believe it's gorgeous. And I've used just this charcoaly colour as a sort of eyeliner, a soft eyeliner. I didn't want to put too much because it's a daytime look and I get too many funny looks when I'm doing school run. Next, we're going to move on to cheeks. Do you know what? I just love this palette. I was going mad in that shop, I'm telling you. There were just so many beautiful blushes. They had these gorgeous sort of heart-shaped single blushes, which were beautiful, but they didn't have the shade that I wanted. It was sold out. I think I'm going to go for this. I love it. It's so gorgeous, don't you think? So I'm just going to use my brush here. Smile and just... It's so perfect for spring. It's sort of uplifting, pretty, without putting too much colour. Look, it's so pretty. I love it. I could use something from here if I wanted to as a highlighter, but you know what, I'm not going to, because I've got their Strobe powder, a Strobe highlighter. Look at this. This was £3. I'm really excited about this. Again, they've got a huge selection of colours. I love this one. It reminds me a little bit of my Guerlain one, which I can't live without. I'm just going to go in with my little powder brush here again. I'm just going to take a little bit of that, tap off the excess, and just see. And if I can just bring the whole look together. I love these. It's a sort of gentle shimmer. You look lovely and sun-kissed. So I put this Strobe cream, as you can see, just on my cheekbones and very tiny bits sort of all over my face, and I really love it. You know, if you're using a highlighter by itself, you might want to go for something from my blusher palette, something lighter, but I just wanted, I don't know, just that sort of sun-kissed golden look, and I like the fact that I got the goldy colours and the pinky shades here, and that's reflected here. For me, the whole look sort of, I don't know, kind of blends together and looks as one. I really, really like it very much. I don't know about you. Okay, so I haven't forgotten about my brows. I've got a bit of a surprise for you coming shortly, so hang in there. I'm going to move on to lips now. I've already lined them. I'm going to use this lipstick. It was £4. It's called Prime. They do 2 or 3 different formulations. They're all around sort of £3 or £4. I've got this nice sort of nudie shade here, just because we're doing a daytime look. Just want to see how that goes on. It's lovely and creamy. Feels nice. My lips were quite dry this morning. I would say this is a sort of semi-matte finish. I'm going to go away and have some lunch in a minute, so I'll let you know how it wears. But before I do that, I've got a bit of a shocker for you. I've got an eyebrow tint. I've been a bit nervous to try this out. Heaven only knows what the school mums are going to say, but I bought this eyebrow tint. It was £5 and it is in dark brown. They do a couple of other shades, lighter shades. This is the darker shade that they do. It is a little bit scary, but you know what? I've got to try it, haven't I? I mean, I haven't got any eyebrows. You would normally put this on natural eyebrows, and it's supposed to tint your skin and the hairs. So when they said it does your skin as well, I thought, you know what? I just got to try it. So it comes with a brush, but that's just too scary for me. It's just too scary. I'm going to put it on with a finer brush and paint it on, or there's some people just paint it on completely as a block, and you wait for it to dry, and then the idea is you just peel it off and your eyebrows are tinted for up to sort of 3 days. You can leave it on for a couple of hours. I don't know if I've got a couple of hours, but I'm going to certainly leave it on for about an hour. A bit worried about this. Things we do in the name of beauty. I'll tell you, I'm really a little bit nervous about this. It's pretty incredible, this. I've never seen a product like this before. This is a tint which will last for up to 3 days. I'm looking at myself and I look a little bit scary. So I'm going to go away and have some lunch. I'm going to leave it on for about just over an hour and a half, and I will peel it off in front of you and you can see the results for yourself. So I stupidly had to reapply this because I forgot to read the instructions, and the instructions very clearly state that you have to apply the product to a clean skin. So I reapplied it. I had some lunch. It's been on now for, let's have a look, just under 2 hours. I managed to leave it for that extra bit of time. Now I'm going to do a big reveal. The moment of truth we've all been waiting for. I am nervous. Let's see. Let's going to get it started with this cotton bud. Oh, so that's pretty good. Oh my God. That's really good. And I haven't got any hairs, not a single hair there. I was worried I was going to be stuck with like this block of colour and look, you know, really like something out of Susie and the Banshees. That's really good. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, let's see the other one and see if they're balanced. Oh my God. I can't believe it's worked so well. This is fantastic. I was worried, really worried that I was going to be stuck with this block of colour and I was going to go around for the next 3 days with some dark shades, you know, like those extra big shades. But that's not the case. You can see the individual strokes that have been microbladed on is just, you know, darker. I mean, this is the effect that I would go for, say, with a pencil. So imagine I'm going away in a couple of weeks for a weekend for my birthday, I'll add. So this is going to be perfect. I won't have to take any eyebrow product when I'm going swimming. I'm so excited. Well done, Revolution Beauty. So anyway, that brings us to the end of my video. I really, really hope you enjoyed that. I loved doing that review. I loved the products that I tried. I was really, really impressed. So if you haven't been down to Superdrug in Marble Arch, I would suggest, if you can, get yourself down there. Revolution Beauty also has a fabulous website. It's best if you can go inside the store yourself and test out the colours. That's, you know, so much better. You can see what it's like on your skin tone. But if you can't, you know what? Check out their website. There's some really super duper products that they've got there. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I really, really hope you enjoyed that video. I certainly did. I loved doing that review. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so, because that really, really helps me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it the thumbs up. And otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye.